Right, so I'm doing a bit of an update on this hand grip for the Panasonic GH5. In my original video I said that the battery inside here, when it dies and you're recording, the camera will stop recording and switch over to the other battery that's in the camera, and you will lose a bit of footage and you'd have to restart the video. But I've done a proper test recently, or actually today, and the battery was dying in hand grip, and it come up and it's flashing, warning me that it's about to die. I let the battery die. It automatically switched over to the battery that's in the camera and carried on recording. So very pleased. I need to retract what I said in my statement, so I will add this or put a link to this video that I'm making now on the end of my other video. So yeah, very pleased. Well done Neewer, well done Panasonic. I'm very pleased with my Panasonic GH5. It's a brilliant camera and a brilliant hand grip. Definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video will get your thumbs up, and if it didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. It works!